Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about vitamin D deficiency and its important signs. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in our overall health. It helps regulate calcium and phosphorus level in body, promotes bone health, supports the immune system, and contribute to our general well-being. But what are the signs that you might be lacking vitamin D? Here are some of the most common ones. 1. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling tired and exhausted even after getting enough sleep is a common symptom of vitamin D deficiency. It can affect your energy levels and overall stamina. 2. Bone and muscle pain. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining healthy bones and muscles. If you experience unexplained chronic pain in your bones or muscles, it could be a sign of deficiency. Number 3. Frequented illnesses. Vitamin D plays a vital role in the immune system. If you find yourself getting sick more often than usual, if your recovery time is prolonged, it may indicate a deficiency. 4. Depressed mood. Some studies suggested a link between low vitamin D levels and mood disorders, such as depression. If you are experiencing persistent feeling of sadness or low mood, it's worth considering vitamin D as a possible factor. Number 5. Impaired wound healing. Slow healing of wounds and cuts could be a sign of inadequate vitamin D levels. This nutrient is involved in the process of tissues repair and regeneration. Number 6. Weight gain. Some studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency can contribute to weight gain or difficulties in weight management. Vitamin D has a relationship with metabolism, maintaining a healthy weight. Number 7. Hair loss. Another condition associated with vitamin D deficiency is hair loss. Hair growth and shedding are related to change in vitamin D levels in the body. Number 8. Excessive sweating. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to increased sweating due to overactive sweat glands, which may result in excessive sweating, itchiness, and discomfort throughout the day. Number 9. Gastrointestinal issues. Some individuals may experience gastrointestinal problems such as constipation due to vitamin D deficiency. Number 10. Persistent infection and muscle pain are also symptoms that can be observed in vitamin D deficiency. In my upcoming videos, I will discuss the legal source of vitamin D and the practical and beneficial ways you can increase your vitamin D levels and stay safe from this important health risk. Make sure to follow our channel, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good day.